Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how my mom makes Shami Kababs. They are delicious, amazing appetizers. Step 1. The ingredients you're going to need: 2 pounds of ground beef, 1.5 cups of split chickpeas, not soaked, just washed, 2.5 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds, 15 whole red peppers, 2 medium onions and 1 small onion roughly cut into pieces, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of cloves, 3 cinnamon sticks, 5 black cardamoms, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, fresh whole garlic bulb peeled, 1 big piece of ginger roughly cut into pieces. Step 1. Instructions. In a pot, bring ground beef to boil. Add split chickpeas, which is also known as chana dal, mix them both together. Add whole red peppers. Add roughly cut onions and garlic bulbs. Add all whole dry spices. Add roughly cut ginger pieces. And of course salt to taste. Add 1.5 cups of water, just enough to cook the split chickpeas. Do not put too much water in it, just enough so they're all cooked but they're not overcooked. Mix the ingredients, cover the pot and cook on medium heat till the split chickpeas are done. If there is excess water and the split chickpeas are cooked, uncover and let the water evaporate completely on high heat. In a food processor, grind the dry cooked meat mixture. Step 2. Ingredients: 3 eggs, 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped in a chopper or a food processor, 1 cup mint and 5 to 7 green chilies depending on what you like. Step 2. Instructions. Chop green chilies and mint in a food processor. In a bowl, add cooked ground beef mixture, chopped green chilies, chopped mint and chopped onions. Add 3 eggs, with clean hands or gloves, mix all the ingredients. And this is how it should look like after it's all mixed. With hands, make round patties, just like that. There you go. You can fry them fresh or put them in a freezer. With little ghee or oil, fry Shami Kabab on medium heat till it is brown on both sides. This can take about a minute on each side. Make sure you're careful when you're flipping them that you're not breaking them or of course burning your own self. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, share, and give it a thumbs up. Recipe is also available in the description below in English and Urdu. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Thank you for watching Creative Moments. Bye!